So we got a Trailmaster Avenger 150 or a Blade 150 or a UTV 150 or a Rzr170 clone. We have it all tore down. We're going to clean it up and start to put it back together. So this makes it part 4 and hopefully the last part of this. So we have everything laid out. We just got to wash it all up and clean it all up and let the Captain Deuce or Mechanic Deuce fix it up and inspect it. Make sure it's all good to go. We'll save you the hassle and just do the YouTube magic and make it all clean. Alright, ready, Mechanic Deuce? YouTube magic. 1, 2, 3. And ta-da! It's all clean. Clean and ready for repairs. Plastic repairs is next on the list, so let's see if we can knock some of that out under some good light. Let's cut all the little things and see what it looks like on the inside quick. Yeah, I think that'll handle. Ain't gonna go nowhere. Looks good from about 6 foot away. Let's fix all the other panels we have that are jacked up, and we can even put some JB weld or something on this too. But yes, nice. Anyways, we can put some JB weld or something on this too, but I think it'll live. I think it'll be fine the way it is. We got a big old slice here, and then we have half of the assembly for the lights is falling out. So we're gonna knock that out real quick too. That's alright. That'll work for what we need. You can clean up more. Take the heat gun to that spot. But yeah, good enough for, like I said, it'll look good from about 6 foot away. And it won't fall apart. Let's see how strong it is. No, I can't. And it's not coming back apart or anything. It don't even look bad. Stronger than it was before. Yep. Happy with that. On to the next stuff. Some underglow and some neon lights and some wiring and some fun stuff. Let's see what comes of all that. Angry eyes, some ground effects, underglow. Underglow in the rear. Yeah, adjust them up a little bit, but I think that'll work just fine. Gotta have some lights. Gotta make them angry. Pit crew status. That's high enough, man. Good job. Putting on new brake caliper. Knocking it out. Don't have any helpers today, but they did get the first coats of paint done. So let's get some more taping done and some more painting and get this thing back together yet. Pretty much reassembled. We're just doing all the last tiny bits and pieces and stuff and things. Finished up paint job here for being super cold. Get outside so we can see everything better. Getting there slowly but surely. Almost to the end. finished product, windshield. A lot cheaper than buying one of the official ones. Zip ties to match the rest of our zip tie repairs, because it just seemed fitting. But yeah, I think that'll work just fine. Oh, as I hit stuff. Windshield, a little top shield too. We may have to add some padding yet, but now everything's got zip tie repairs, and it'll kind of match each other. So, like I said, all the little details, that's what we're finishing up till the weather gets nicer. I was recording the process, making of the buzz. Carefuling, carefuling. Making him angry. Grr. Stealing heads, dropping on bodies. And there we have it, Buzz. Letting him warm up, take him for his first spin after being put back together. Painted up, dialed in. It's cold out here still. Stepping on everything. But yeah, he's up and running. I'm gonna adjust this and that, you know, those kind of things, but so far so good. Everything seems to be doing what it's supposed to. Let's take her for a cruise and see what happens. First maiden voyage, alright. I gotta adjust the cable to get reverse working a little better here. No big deal. New cable, that's how it works. But everything seems to be good and happy. We can see if it fires up on its own now. The battery was dead, so let's see. Oh, come on. There it goes. A little cold today. Find all the rattles. Oh, got you some whip lights. Yeah, this thing should be fun to play around with.